Hello, hello. If I get money pass you, listen to me. 2024 don't show now. You don't go all night, you don't come back. You don't go pray. You don't do fasting. Don't declare. Say this year will be your year of success. Make I tell you truth. You see this life, eh? Waiting you never approve or waiting you no one put in effort. God know they put time for them. You need to put in your effort. You hear the principle of faith when they teach. Say faith without work is dead. They preach grace. They believe grace. They talk grace. This year, by God's grace, you make a God's grace does not apply to you if you're not putting in your effort. If you like, argue with me. Go quote Bible, give me. As I be Bible pass you. Put in the effort. Heaven help those who help themselves. Put in the effort. This year, you need to have plans. You need to have goals. You don't pray, you don't fast. It's good. I'm not talking say bad. It's good as you don't pray. It's good as you don't fast. But you see, you need to do things differently in order to get a different result. Last year, you know pray. You know fast. 2 years ago, you know pray, you know fast. Hello. If you need something to change, you need to do things differently. You need to act differently. You need to think differently. In fact, before you act differently, you need to think differently. And before you think differently, you need to flush out certain toxic, certain unproductive, certain counterproductive information that are in your head, in your thoughts. You need to upgrade in your thinking pattern. In order to do that, in order for that to happen, you need to study. What kind of content do you need to study? Study contents that are productive. Study books on finance. Study books on self-development, self-improvement. Study books on money. In order for you to be productive and progress, you need to study and prepare yourself. Then when you study, you try to flush out the information that are not useful in your head. And then you can now begin to apply the useful informations to make better decisions, better financial decisions, and make progress. It would come slowly. It doesn't come rapid. It takes one step at a time. But when it comes, it comes. You go see them. People go see them. You will see that truly you are making progress. This year, anything when you go put money for your pocket this year, avoid them. Na liability.